In the heart of a bustling castle, rich and proud, Queen Cat gazes from her balcony. But below, a scrappy street cat looks up, curiosity dancing in his green eyes, sparking an unexpected connection. Life on the streets is wild and free. Street Cat dashes through alleyways, showcasing tricks and charisma that capture the hearts of every passerby. A life lived on the edge of adventure. Under the mesmerizing cherry blossoms, a moment of friendship blooms. In laughter and shared secrets, the divide between royal and street fades, revealing their same hearts beneath. As their friendship blossoms, obstacles arises. Whispers echo in the crowded square. As doubts fester, can a royal and a street beggar truly belong together, or has fate conspired against them? Facing the crowd, they stand resolute, united. Love and friendship defy boundaries, bringing hope to a kingdom steeped in tradition, ready to rewrite their tales. As the sun sets, their bonds ignite a spark of change. In celebration, the kingdom unites, marking the dawn of a new era where love triumphs over tradition.